2025 Triumph Speed Twin 900. This version is smoother than the previous version, so you will be able to ride the bike comfortably on the road. Also, people like the bike for its iconic design. Basically, it is a modern classic bike. To the bike has been added a new TFT meter console. There is more information than the previous version. You will get Bluetooth connectivity and other important things to the meter console that will give you smooth riding. To the bike's engine, a liquid-cooled parallel twin 4-valve SOHC can be found. And from the bike's engine, you will get 64 bhp power and 80 Nm of torque, which is sufficient for a classic bike. For wet multiplate slip and assist clutch, rider will be able to do a smooth ride on the road. For this feature, gear shifting has been butter smooth. At the front brake, we have seen a single 320mm floating disc and a Triumph branded 4-piston radial caliper. And at the rear brake, single 250mm fixed disc Nissan 2-piston floating caliper have been used. Also, to improve the braking system, both wheels have dual-channel ABS. The bike road grip is good for its thick tires. The front tire size is 100 and the rear tire size is 150. I hope riders will have no complaint about the bike's braking system and tire size. According to the bike, fuel tank capacity is low. It is only 12 liters. It needs to be more. It was today's video. The next video will come very soon. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more bikes updates.